What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Well, I'm in the mood for some pork chops, so went to my HEB. I got me some pork chops from a rib rack. It's going to be 2 bones, so when I slice it, it's going to be two pork chops. So I got that right now, and I'm going to be using some B&B mixed with the Jealous Devil briquettes that I used my previous cook. So mix it up there, see how that goes, and some wood chunks from Post Oak. Yeah, so you know how it goes with this Bronco. It's a beast. So I'm gonna take the pork chops up to a little over 135, and then take it off, let it rest for a bit, and then I do want to sauce them up with some rib candy, that Texas pepper jelly. I love that. I love that. So pretty much that's what I got going on right now on this pretty much chill day. So let's get to cooking. Oh, what do you think? Looking good, huh? These pork chops. Yeah. Like I said, it was cut from rack of pork, so see the 2 bones right there. Yeah. All right, I already got it going, as you see. So put it right there, right in the middle. Yeah. So I'm gonna let it cook. Now open up the beer, my other hand, so I touched the rack with my other hand, so use the clean hand. Yeah, so cheers, y'all. Hope y'all having a good time, a good day, a good year so far. So I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna get it up to around 135, and then take it off from there. And then, yeah, and let it chill for a bit, and then I'm gonna eat it. As you can see, sitting at 248, and I did put a probe into the pork chop, so it's sitting at 102. Oh yeah, it's looking good. It's coming along. That is nice. All right, so reason why I opened it up, I got me some sausage right here. Cook it along right there. But yeah, it's coming along. We're getting there. All right. Yeah, so we'll get there. We're almost there. And it's time to eat. I don't know if you can tell right there, it says at 225. I don't know if you can tell right there, so it says it's 243 on the grate level. Yeah, so if you're cooking at the bottom, the 2nd grate level, you'll match up more with the temp gauge right there. But if you're cooking up top, that's where you're reading at 243. So just to give you an idea. But yeah, it's been a relaxing day. Watching this Bronco cook, watching it smoke that Post Oak wood chunks. On this cloudy day, we're supposed to get some rain tomorrow, then the next day, then the next day. So yeah, but man, love this Bronco. All right, I'm gonna sauce it up a bit. Yeah, get it on its side. Yeah, just like that. So what do y'all think so far? Looking good or what? Get it right here. Oh yeah. That's gonna be good right there. Some good eating right there. That sausage, it's almost done. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Almost time to eat, so let's close it up and let's get there. All right, so we're at 136 on the rack of pork. So I'm gonna take it off, and then I'm gonna let it just rest on the cutting board for about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna slice into it. I'm hungry. Yeah, that looks good. Oh man, it's good. A little bit more closer, can we? There we go. Yeah, that looks good. Yum. So I'm gonna take it off, and then I'm gonna put it on the cutting board, and then I'll slice into it. Let's slice into it. Oh yeah, and they some thick pork chops. Look at that. What do y'all think? Look good? Man, they thick for sure. Look good, don't you think? Hell yeah, not dry at all. Oh yeah. Oh man, I'm gonna slice into it and I'm gonna take a bite. Man, this has been a great cook. Oh man, that smells so good. Oh, ready? Oh man, not dry at all. Look at that. Man. Ooh. And I did season it with salt lick barbecue rub. I love that rub. Seasoned it down. I had to use it. Man, gives you a little kick to it. But it's perfect. And then with the Texas pepper jelly. Oh man, that's awesome. That's awesome. Right off. If you've never done this on the Bronco, do it. Smoke those pork chops, or hang them if you want. Go ahead and hang them too. It'll just be just as great. Man. Oh man. So pretty much just to cook. Kept it around 250, went up to 253. I got it up to about 136, took it off, let it rest for about 10 minutes, you know, and I hit it with that Texas pepper jelly, that rib candy, give more flavor, more taste. And it came out, man, moist. I mean, it's not just dry. I'm just turning it apart. Man. Oh. So, now that you've seen this video, you got that Bronco, go out, do the exact same thing. If you want to, you can also sear both sides of that pork chop before you even smoke it. Sear in the juices, all that flavor, if you want to do it that way, or just smoke it like I did. Hey, it's your choice. It's your barbecue. I can't tell you how to do it. I'm just showing you. It's your choice how you want to do it. But as always, folks, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Hope you're enjoying life and loving it. As always, folks, smoke on, everyone.